What is the deep litter method and what makes it so powerful inside of the chicken coop? My chickens have already started laying the foundation, so let's head on in and see what the magic is all about. Chicken waste is, well, waste, and it can be pretty harmful if it's not properly managed. But when it is, it comes with so many benefits. The deep litter method relies on the natural composting process. When the chickens roost, they poop. The poop gets covered with a good quality and moisture wicking bedding like hemp from Eat and Pet and Pasture, and then the natural composting process begins. Chicken poop is naturally moist and high in nitrogen, which adds moisture and harmful vapors to the coop. With proper ventilation that all chicken coops should have and using hemp bedding, the nitrogen, odors, and moisture are neutralized and the magic begins. With a properly set up chicken coop like this one, or even better with a deep litter box like this, where the layer can build up relatively deep and keep you from having to clean out the chicken coop for quite some time. The benefit of this is that you can clean out the chicken coop when you desire, and when the time is right, you have bulk material in order to whip up an amazing batch of homemade compost. So every day or two, all you have to do is come out here and lay a thin layer of bedding on the chicken poop, just enough to cover it, and you're good to go. Hemp is the ideal material for this process because it absorbs multiple times its weight in moisture and has tiny pores which become home to the microbes that are going to do all the work breaking down the chicken poop and the bedding. It's also highly sustainable and great for composting, which makes it awesome for the environment, and it creates essentially no dust when applied, which is beneficial for your chickens' respiratory systems. I've been using the deep litter method inside of my chicken coop for over 4 years now, and I absolutely love the results and flexibility that it gives me. And regardless of what your situation is, always do your research to figure out what the best method is for you. But if you want to give Eat and Pet and Pasture a try, they're kind enough to give me a 20% off discount code for first-time orders. So go down in the description, check it out, and see what Eat and Pet and Pasture is all about. I'll be continuing to use the deep litter method in my chicken coop to help keep my chickens healthy and create an amazing resource for my garden.